Hi English 12, this is Miss Long. This is the very brief video to walk you through session 2A for those of you who have chosen to write a cover letter and a resume as your application project. So when you get to the session, you're going to find this list of pages here and a brief explanation of what our essential questions are. Be sure you're in the right place. This is for those of you who are going to enter the workforce next year so that you can develop those job search documents that you're going to need. Some of the essential questions you can look through on your own time. The first task you'll come to is, yes, a discussion. Let's pool our collective resources and figure out what works in job hunting. So you'll answer at least 2 of these questions in your own post, and then you'll respond to your peers. Following that, you're going to read about resumes. You'll start answering these questions here that you will submit at the end of the session. You'll want to look at this document, Resume 101, for ideas on what makes a good resume. Then you'll move on to actually writing one. And you're going to use a tool called Naviance that you've used for some of the other ICAP activities you've done. There is a video tutorial from Ms. Jimenez to show you how to do that, and some samples down here of high-quality resumes. So you're going to create the resume in Naviance, and then you'll save it as a web page, or you'll print it, and you can print it to a PDF. That's probably my favorite option, and it's really good for working with resumes because of the formatting and things. So there's some videos on how to do that. So you'll find all the links and everything on Naviance here. So check that out. The next thing you'll do is read a little bit about cover letters, what makes a good, strong cover letter that goes with the resume to explain to your employer that you're applying and who you are, and it kind of highlights the things that's most important. So you'll read the article below titled Writing a Cover Letter and look at some sample cover letters down here as well. The last thing you'll do is then draft your own cover letter, 1 page. You can use this format right here, and you're going to want to highlight your own strengths in that. Should be a business letter format. You can save it in a word processing document or a Google document, either way. When you get done with those tasks, you're going to submit everything in that one assignment. You're going to go back to the Unit 1 material or Unit 1 Session 2 materials here, and you'll find there's a dropbox for all of those things. That would be where you submit everything right here. You submit everything that's related to the session. And that will be the end of session. Then you'll move on to session 3, where you actually perfect what you've got with some feedback. And then you're ready to go. Real world, here you come. Have a great week.